three things that we need are paper towels, a piece of string or a piece of elastic, and a stapler. Here I'm using 3 pieces of the paper towel. I tried making the mask with 4, but 3 was just right for me. I wouldn't recommend using less than 2. We fold the paper into a zigzag pattern as shown on the screen. After the folding is done, we press on the end of the folds just to make them a bit more compressed. Now we get our piece of string, or in this case elastic, and we staple it together.
There you have it.
Once all of the steps are complete, we can either store the mask or unfold it and use it right away. As you can see, the mask fits snugly and nice around my face, and it provides a layer of protection. As for the elastic, you can make it shorter or longer depending on how you like the fit. When you're done with the mask, don't throw it away. You can pop off the elastic part and use it for your next mask. That's it for this video. I hope you found it interesting. I hope you find it useful. Don't hesitate to make masks next time you need to leave the house, or if you're already sick, make a mask to protect others within your house. It doesn't have to be the current virus, it can be anything, and the mask can help. One shout out that I want to do is for the local YouTuber here in Beja. His name is Dino DIY. He made the video like this first. I just made it from another perspective in order to show how quick and easy this is to do. As he states in his video, we all have a certain tolerance for viruses and bacteria, and if that tolerance isn't matched by the bacteria, we'll stay healthy. If it's outmatched, we won't. We will get sick. So this mask is all about keeping as much of the bad things away out of our system. Of course, if we are sick, it's about keeping it within our system and not spreading to others, because we are all in quarantines, we are all interacting with the same people throughout the day. On his channel, you can also find how to make your own hand sanitizer, but the video is in Bosnian, so let me know if I should offer him a voiceover for that video, or if I should just do a video on my own doing the exact same process. Thank you all for watching. Like it if you liked it, share it to the people that can use it. See you in the next one. Bye.